Teman-teman, apa kabar kalian semuanya pada hari ini di cuaca yang sangat indah sekali, dan saya punya ice cream yang udah mau habis. Kami mengajak kalian untuk pergi ke mana?
It's the fire in the rain.
Well, we're in the town of Belper. It's a rather warm day, which is much different from when we were in Wirksworth and Carsington Water last week, much warmer. And so we're looking forward. Apparently today there is some kind of festival in Belper. We haven't seen any indications so far, but we're hoping there is some kind of festival today in Belper.
Ya, kita akan melihatnya dan akan membagikan kepada kalian semuanya yang setia bersama The Adventure of Vina and Tim.
This is the vast edifice of Strutt's Mill in Belper, and unfortunately now it's completely derelict, it seems, and it's a relic of the days of maybe 200 years ago when Belper was an important place on the River Derwent, which is close by, and this was one of the heartlands of the early Industrial Revolution. But now, of course, all the textile industries have gone to places in the Far East, I suppose. So here are the beautiful flowers. It is a very good display in Belper, the display of landscaping. We're now walking through the gardens in Belper, which are very, very nice. It's a fairly small town, much smaller than Chesterfield, not as big as Derby, but it is a particularly nice area in the gardens here. And today is a beautiful day in comparison with the kind of weather that we've been having in the recent past. Some lovely trees, and there's the mill pond, which is of course downs the River Derwent and provides the power for the old mill, which has long since been abandoned. This is in Belper, the River Gardens, and it's the Derwent Valley Mills World Heritage Site. Here we are on the banks of the River Derwent in Belper, and as I say, this is the this provided the power for the mills, which were of course there, and it is a vast edifice, and it's hard to believe that they are over 200 years old, those mills there. And as I say, it's long since been abandoned, but in its day, which is 200, 150 years ago, that was a hive of activity. As I've said, Belper is quite a historic place, mainly from the Industrial Revolution, the early years, because the mills on the Derwent River, which is the river just here, were among the first industrial places in the whole world. A beautiful Japanese maple tree. So here we're going under the mill, because of course it was such a large mill in the old days that part of it went from one side of the road to the other, and just to the right here, or to the left apparently, is a mill shop, and so I think Fina wants to go in there. Borough of Amber Valley, the Triangle, and there is Fina walking through this triangle in the middle of Belper. Welcome to Belper. Belper is part of the Derwent Valley Mills World Heritage Site.
Teman-teman, sangat menarik sekali bukan di kota Belper ini ya. Kalian sudah melihat banyak sekali kegiatan, dan sementara cuaca juga terus membantu kita kan.
Memang, it is a nice day, it's warm. I mean, unlike, as I said last week, it's not particularly sunny now, but it's okay, it's warm, and that's the main thing. This is the main street of Belper, King Street, and it's an interesting street. It's suppose in many ways rather mundane, but we've enjoyed it because we've been through Matlock and then through Matlock Bath, which are both vibrant places, and Belper is perhaps a little less vibrant than Matlock, but maybe more vibrant than Chesterfield.
Ya. So teman-teman, kita akan jalan lagi dan sebentar lagi kalian sebentar lagi. Gue ngomong apaan ya? Tapi yang pasti kalian juga suka kan apa yang kami perlihatkan. Banyak sekali yang kita lihat dan kota Belpa ini sangat menarik karena dulunya saya sangat sering datang ke sini karena adalah dulu pabrik kan.
It was, yes. It was a place for factory shops and so on. Of course, the big mills helped for that because it was a famous place for textiles in the past.
Dan lebih terkenal itu untuk pakaian dalam wanita ya. Jadi ya begitu deh. Yuk kita jalan lagi yuk.
Okay.
Teman-teman, ini tim sedang menikmati kopi cappuccino sama cake ya, lemon drizzle cake. Dan aku sedang makan croissant. So, what are you having?
I'm having a hot chocolate, which looks very nice. It's a big hot chocolate.
Ah, see.
And some kind of raspberry cake, I think. Victoria Sponge raspberry cake.
Yummy.
Indeed, yummy.
Ya. So, teman-teman, kita mau minum kopi dulu ya. Ya kan? Kita mau minum kopi dulu kan?
We're going to drink some coffee, or actually hot chocolate. You've got to get it right.
You get it right.
Some,
Ya teman-teman,
Victoria
saya
Sponge.
saya selalu bilang kopi ya, dan tadi saya bilang cappuccino. Enggak, bukan. Itu tim minum hot chocolate ya. Hot chocolate. Oke, bon appetit. Teman-teman, mudah-mudahan kalian senang ya dengan apa yang kami sharekan kepada kalian semuanya. Inilah kota Belpa, ya kan?
That's right, yes, and we've enjoyed the day. We didn't quite see as many kind of attractions as we had hoped. We thought there was some kind of festival on, and there was, but not as good as we had expected. On the other hand, it was a very enjoyable trip, and both of Fina and I, we have really enjoyed it.
Ya, betul teman-teman ya. Tadinya kami akan perlihatkan kepada kalian bahwa katanya hari ini yaitu Bank Holiday ya, hari Senin, tapi holiday untuk di Inggris ya, bahwa itu akan ada festival ya seperti music, poem dan segala macamnya. Ternyata nggak semenarik yang kita pikir gitu ya. Tapi kami bahagia aja, enjoy aja menikmati kota Belpa ini, dan kami menikmati sedikit kopi dan croissant serta cake ya. So, mudah-mudahan teman-teman senang banget dengan apa yang kita sharekan. Thank you banget ya udah setia bersama The Adventure of Fina and Tim. Jangan lupa like like-nya ya. Oke, sampai jumpa lagi. Take care. Bye.
It's the smile within the pain. It's the logic, but